Welcome to our channel, English for Everyone.
Talking about your daily routine is one of the best ways to improve your English. It helps you practice common verbs, sentence structures, and vocabulary that are used every day. By mastering how to describe your day, you become more confident in conversations and better at expressing yourself. Whether you are talking to friends, writing in a diary, or speaking in an interview, knowing how to discuss your daily activities is essential. In this video, we present the 100 most commonly used phrases to describe daily routines in chronological order. From waking up in the morning to falling asleep at night, these phrases cover every part of your day. You will learn how to speak fluently about your morning habits, work or school schedule, evening relaxation, and bedtime routines. Practice each phrase, repeat them out loud, and imagine using them in real-life conversations. By the end of this video, you'll feel more confident talking about your day in English. Watch until the end and don't forget to share your favorite daily routine phrases in the comments. Let's get started and improve your English together.
I wake up from bed.
I wake up from bed.
I open the window.
I open the window.
I stretch my body.
I stretch my body.
I make my bed.
I make my bed.
I say my morning prayers.
I say my morning prayers.
I go to the bathroom.
I go to the bathroom.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I dry myself with a towel.
I dry myself with a towel.
I get dressed.
I get dressed.
I go to the kitchen.
I go to the kitchen.
I prepare breakfast.
I prepare breakfast.
I drink a glass of water.
I drink a glass of water.
I eat my breakfast.
I eat my breakfast.
I clean the dishes.
I clean the dishes.
I check my phone.
I check my phone.
I read the news.
I read the news.
I pack my bag.
I pack my bag.
I leave the house.
I leave the house.
I lock the door.
I lock the door.
I walk to the bus stop.
I walk to the bus stop.
I wait for the bus.
I wait for the bus.
I get on the bus.
I get on the bus.
I listen to music.
I listen to music.
I arrive at work.
I arrive at work.
I greet my colleagues.
I greet my colleagues.
I check my emails.
I check my emails.
I start working.
I start working.
I attend meetings.
I attend meetings.
I take a coffee break.
I take a coffee break.
I continue working.
I continue working.
I eat lunch.
I eat lunch.
I have a short walk.
I have a short walk.
I return to work.
I return to work.
I finish my tasks.
I finish my tasks.
I organize my desk.
I organize my desk.
I say goodbye to my colleagues.
I say goodbye to my colleagues.
I leave the office.
I leave the office.
I take the bus back home.
I take the bus back home.
I arrive home.
I arrive home.
I change my clothes.
I change my clothes.
I relax on the sofa.
I relax on the sofa.
I watch TV.
I watch TV.
I check social media.
I check social media.
I prepare dinner.
I prepare dinner.
I eat dinner.
I eat dinner.
I clean the kitchen.
I clean the kitchen.
I take a shower before bed.
I take a shower before bed.
I brush my teeth again.
I brush my teeth again.
I read a book.
I read a book.
I set my alarm for the next day.
I set my alarm for the next day.
I say my night prayers.
I say my night prayers.
I turn off the lights.
I turn off the lights.
I lie down on my bed.
I lie down on my bed.
I close my eyes.
I close my eyes.
I think about my day.
I think about my day.
I feel grateful.
I feel grateful.
I slowly fall asleep.
I slowly fall asleep.
I sleep peacefully.
I sleep peacefully.